Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will be doing a simple recipe that will be ready in less than 5 minutes. Take a mug and add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour or maida. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add 2 pinches of baking powder, 1 pinch of baking soda. Add milk. Here I've added approximately 4 tablespoons of milk that is in room temperature. Add 1.5 teaspoons of oil or melted butter. Make sure that the batter isn't too runny or too thick. Now you can add some sprinklers or sprinkles or just leave it as it is. Microwave it for 40 to 45 seconds or a minute. Serve it with some whipping cream, ice cream, or enjoy the delicious mug cake the way it is. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you tried the recipe, then make sure to comment down below.